Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, we have already discussed the fundamentals of partnership firm and how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The link is provided in the description box. Please check it. Today, we are going to learn about the partner's capital account. All the transactions between the partner and the business are recorded in the capital account. Generally, capital introduced by the partner, any additional capital introduced by the partner, permanent withdrawal of capital by the partner, interest on capital, partner's salary, commission, share of profit or loss of the partner, drawings, interest on drawings are recorded in the capital account. Capital accounts of partners of a firm may be maintained by following two methods, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two separate accounts. One is capital account, partners capital account, and the another one is partners current account. And in fluctuating capital method, we have to prepare only one account, that is partners capital account. Let me explain fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, in the capital account, the capital of the partner remains unchanged. The capital is fixed unless if any additional capital introduced by the partner or any permanent withdrawal of capital is made by the partner. The other transactions are recorded in the current account of the partners. Under fluctuating capital method, only capital account is maintained for each partner. In this capital account alone, all the transactions related to partners and the business are recorded. As a result, the balance in this account goes on fluctuating. That is why this method is called fluctuating capital method. Now, we will see the format of partners capital account under fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts. One is partners capital account and another one is partners current account. This is the format of partners capital account. If there are three partners in the partnership business, we have to open three columns, separate columns for each partner. We have to start with the opening balance of capital in the credit side. Since capital account is liability, any liability, the opening balance will appear on the credit side. This opening balance is the capital introduced by the partner. If any additional capital is introduced by the partner, that is also appear on the credit side of the partner's capital account. If any permanent withdrawal of capital, that will be shown on the debit side of the partner's capital account. Unless any additional capital is introduced or capital is withdrawn by the partner, the balance of capital account remains unchanged. It is fixed. Capital account will always show credit balance under this method. Under fixed capital method, we need to open one more account, that is partners current account. In this partners current account, all the other transactions related to partners and the business will be shown. Any transaction which is beneficial to the partner will increase the capital of the partner and it will be recorded on the credit side of the partner's current account. On the credit side of the partner's current account, we have to record interest on capital, salary, commission to the partner and share of profit to the partner. These transactions are beneficial to the partner and will increase the partner's capital account. On the debit side, we have to record drawings and interest on drawings. Drawings made by the partner and interest on drawings to the partner will decrease the partner's capital account. So we have to record these transactions on the debit side of the partner's current account. If there is any loss in the profit and loss appropriation account, will be shown on the debit side of the partner's current account. The balance of the partner's current account may be either on the debit side or credit side. All the transactions are recorded in the partner's current account. The balance in this account will fluctuating. Now we will see the format of capital account under fluctuating capital method. Remember, under fixed capital method we have to open two accounts, that is capital account and current account. But under fluctuating capital method we have to open only one account, that is partner's capital account, and in this account all the transactions related to the partners are recorded. In this method we have to open date, particulars and capital account of each partner on both the sides, that is on the debit side and credit side. We have to start with the opening balance of capital on the credit side of the partner's capital account. Next, we have to record all the transactions, that is the additional capital introduced by the partner if any, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit. All these transactions are recorded on the credit side of the partner's capital account because these transactions will increase the capital of the partner. On the debit side of the partner's capital account, we have to record partner's drawings, interest on drawings and share of loss of the partner. Under this method, the partner's capital account may show either credit balance or debit balance.